I got JB Weld. I'm going to use that to do the final metal pieces. That silver soldering just not working for me, and I don't know why I don't put the instructions on the actual thing, so you can just remove the cap. Oh, I see how they do it that way. You gotta mix it. I guess. Oh, wait a minute, I got something better here. The lid of this. The lid's wonderful for this. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. Okay, how much will I need here? That. Do these two first, and then that, and then this one. Put the cap back on. Cap goes in there, and then it twists. Better mix this up before I lose it. Kind of turns into a gray, black, and kind of an off-white. Now, which could be the hard part here. I think on this wheel, I'm going to do both sides. Put that set. I'll do this. Just kind of get it. Might flip that over too and do it. Now's the hard one. Just see, the best thing is get it right on the arm, and then get a nice thick surface. Get that out of the way. Under here like this. And clamp it. Go ahead and clamp it. Right there, I think. That looks good. Get this to where it just stays right there. Okay, now that one's glued, that one's glued, that one's glued. I wonder if I turn this thing upside down and take the rest of this JB Weld, I guess it's not glue, and I'll do the other side of this wheel. You can tell it's not set up yet, but this way I'm gonna get a really good bond. Well, there's other ways to do this. Okay, now I'm going to push that back down where it belongs. And I can just stay where it's at. Hope it didn't JB Weld my fingers together. Success. I need to really let it set, not touching for a while. Let's see, what else do I need to do in here? That's on hold. 92%, getting closer. While I'm waiting for the JB Weld to set up, I realized that I had some sockets I had to reorganize. I went to Harbor Freight here several weeks ago, and I think they had these on special. They're socket holders, 2 of the 3/8 and 2 of the 1/2 inch. And I'm going to try to reorganize sockets. See, that's these here are all smaller ones those will go into a different place. There's a 8mm. This one here is a 12mm. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll divide them up or change them up a little bit here when I get them all pretty much organized. This one here is 13, 12, 13. By that MP3 player down. There we go. Now, 15, 14, 15. And they got these so that you can see them. 17. These are all millimeters. I think that's what I put in here. 18. Nice to have these organized like this. They're all kind of organized in here. Probably a few in between. Try to fill that one up. Yep, my computer's still going, still resetting. Trying to build a couple toolboxes, one for all my main tools and one for just to grab. If I gotta go pick something up, I'll grab. Okay, here's the millimeters. Here's a 12. What's this one? 8. Here's a 12. I'll put the 12. 13. That's the smaller one. 16. 16. 14. 17, 18, 19. This one actually looks less. It's this one. Oh, this one's pretty crappy. I'm just going to throw that one out. Some of these just aren't worth keeping. I got some at my father-in-law's sheds, barns, whatever. He worked on his tractors on. He had tools in each one, and I went and picked the ones up. He hadn't been doing it in several years, so sometimes the tools are on the ground, and some of the places he was working, dirt floor. He had several nice places, but some of them. So I picked up tools and brought them home, and I've been trying to clean them up. And most of them turned out really nice. They weren't in too bad a shape. It's this one, 19, 19. Take these off, it's what's nice. And 10 millimeter. 13. Pull that one off. Put a couple on here. Okay. 12, 10 millimeter. 2 12s, 13. This one is a 14, 14. Okay, 10. 12, which is the smaller one.